The parallel shifting technique is an essential driving skill every beginner should learn because it is used in many situations, such as parallel parking and reverse parking into a space. For example, when moving the car into the parking spot on the right, first turn the steering wheel fully to the right and move forward slowly. While moving forward, only use half of the available space and leave the other half open. Then turn the steering wheel fully to the left and continue moving forward to straighten the car. After the car is straight, reverse straight backward. As you can see, after one forward shifting movement, the car has already moved about halfway toward the right side. Then repeat the same steps. Turn fully right, move forward halfway, turn fully left to straighten the car, and reverse straight back again. After repeating the process twice, the car successfully moves from the left parking spot to the right one. To improve efficiency, after completing the forward shift and straightening the car, you can immediately continue with a reverse shift. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and reverse slowly. While reversing, use only half of the space and leave the other half available. Then turn the steering wheel fully to the left while continuing to reverse. With just one forward shift and one reverse shift, the car can already move into the right parking spot. If the road in front of the parking spaces becomes narrower, the idea is still the same. No matter how narrow the road is, always move halfway first, then counter steer and move halfway again. The narrower the space, the more times you need to repeat the process until the car is fully shifted into the desired position. Once you understand this concept, you can apply it to many driving situations. For example, while reverse parking with the steering wheel fully turned left, you may notice that the left side of the car still has plenty of room while the right side is about to hit a nearby car. In that case, you can move forward slightly while turning the wheel to the right to shift the car's position, then continue reversing while turning left again. With this adjustment, the car can enter the parking space smoothly. Another example is when the car is already fully parked, but the right side is too close while the left side has too much space. You can turn the steering wheel slightly toward the wider side and move forward a little, then turn the wheel back and move forward again while straightening the car. This helps balance the distance on both sides. The same method can also be used during parallel parking. If you turn the steering wheel too slowly while entering the space and the right rear tire gets blocked by the curb, as long as there is still space in front, simply turn the steering wheel fully to the right and move forward a little. Then turn fully left and reverse slightly. This shifting technique will help reposition the car and complete the parking smoothly.